Have you ever dreamed of building $1 million company all by yourself? A few years ago, that sounded like a fantasy. You needed a team, venture capital, and a huge office. But today, a new breed of entrepreneur is emerging. The solo founder, building massive businesses with nothing but a laptop and the power of AI. Welcome to the era of the one-person, $1 million AI startup. So how is this even possible? It all comes down to leverage. Traditional startups hire people to do tasks. AI startups use AI agents to do those same tasks, but faster, cheaper, and at an infinite scale. Think about it. You can have an AI that handles customer support, another that writes your marketing copy, one that manages your social media, and even an AI that codes your product. The game has completely changed. Let's look at some real-world examples that will blow your mind. There's a founder who built a design service using Midjourney and Canva. He's the only person in the company, but he's serving hundreds of clients and raking in over $1 million a year. His secret? He's not doing the design work himself. He's the conductor of an AI orchestra. He takes a client request, uses AI to generate the initial concepts, and then fine-tunes them. He's built an entire automated system that handles everything from client onboarding to final delivery. Another incredible example is a solo entrepreneur who launched a ghostwriting agency using ChatGPT. He works with top executives who want to build their personal brand on LinkedIn and Twitter but have no time to write. He uses AI to analyze their unique voice and generate high-quality content that sounds just like them. He manages dozens of high-ticket clients and has 0 employees. His profit margins are insane because his only major cost is his AI software subscriptions. He's not selling his time. He's selling a system, an automated content machine. And it's not just about creating these one-person service businesses. There's a massive opportunity in building the tools for others. Niche AI automation agencies are popping up everywhere. These aren't your typical marketing agencies. They go into a business, like a law firm or a dental clinic, and identify bottlenecks in their workflow. Then, they build custom AI-powered automations to solve those specific problems. Maybe it's an AI that automatically sorts and responds to emails, or one that schedules appointments and sends reminders. These agencies charge tens of thousands of dollars for a setup, and because it's all software, they can serve clients globally from their bedroom. But what if you don't want to deal with clients at all? What if you want true, passive income? AI has an answer for that too. People are building AI-powered content websites that run on autopilot. Imagine a niche blog about, say, sustainable gardening. You can set up an AI agent to research trending topics, write SEO-optimized articles, create images, and even publish them to your site every single day. Once it's set up, the site generates traffic from Google and earns money through ads and affiliate links while you sleep. Others are building and selling simple AI agents on marketplaces. They create a bot that performs a specific task, like scraping data from a website, and sell it as a one-time product or a subscription. You build it once, and it can sell 1,000 times. The message here is powerful. The barrier to entry for building a successful business has never been lower. You don't need a co-founder, you don't need an investor, and you don't need a team of 20 people. All you need is a great idea, a deep understanding of a problem, and the skill to leverage modern AI tools to solve it. Start small. Find one repetitive task you can automate. Validate your idea quickly. The tools are here, they're accessible, and they're incredibly powerful. This is your chance to stop trading your time for money and start building a system that works for you. The future of entrepreneurship is autonomous, and it's just getting started. Thanks for watching. If you got value from this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more insights into the future of AI and business. See you in the next one.